Looking for the perfect wedding hairstyle? In today's video, I'm creating a beautiful, elegant cornrow style that's perfect for brides, bridesmaids, and wedding guests. Stay with me until the end of the stunning final result and get to achieving neat and long-lasting cornrows. Let's see how it goes. Are we going to allow the cornrow just like that to attend a wedding? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how I create the gorgeous wedding cornrow hairstyle from start to finish. Cornrow are a timeless choice because they are elegant, comfortable, and can last throughout the wedding celebration. Hey, I'll walk you through the preparation section, the braiding process, and the final touches that made this style stand out. The first step is preparing the hair. You know, it's actually a virgin hair. I had to prepare. I had to make it clean, moisturize, and properly detangle it because sometimes it can be so painful. Oh my god! Yeah. So this helped create smooth, neat braid and reduce breakage. Yeah, it does. Taking time during preparation and essential for achieving a polished wedding look. Yeah. All right, so now I carefully section the hair. I couldn't do it myself. Somebody had to help me to do it. So she sectioned the hair after it has been cleaned, putting patterns, bringing out lines, foundation of having a beautiful cornrow style for the wedding hairstyle. Precaution is especially important because every details contribute to the overall elegance of the final look. Yeah, are you seeing? It's already coming out. The beauty is already coming out. With the section ready, yes, the cornrow already started. As you can see, it's weaving already. Now, how I maintain consistent tension and braid neatly from the roots. It's already going down, as you can see. The techniques help the style looks professional, ensure it lasts longer. Wedding hairstyle should not only look beautiful but remain secure throughout the event. I'm not going to be doing something that I'm not almost done with the event. It's already loosening. Oh no, it's embarrassing. All right, okay. As I continue braiding, I focus on the smoothness. Actually wanted it to look beautiful. Yeah, taking time during the making a significant difference and wanting to know how ending and my final appearance is really going to look like. It's going to look like, is it going to be beautiful? Am I going to use the cornrow this way for a wedding? You're going to see if I'm going to flaunt it this way or I'm going to think of something to put on top. What do you think? Should I just go for this wedding with this cornrow? Is it not beautiful enough for me to just rock the cornrow? Enjoy the wedding that I'm going for, because this is going to be a top-notch wedding. As I said, ready and be watching out for the wedding vlog because oh my god, I can't wait. You're going to be seeing the dressing. You're already seeing the cornrow, how it's looking. What are you thinking about the dressing? Oh my god, it's going to wow. We are going to rock it. We're going to rock it. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. We're still making the hair. It actually took time. It got from actually we arrived the salon a little bit late. As you can see, it's already getting dark. But we need to achieve, because you see this wedding, we are attending this wedding. And this cornrow must stand straight and strong. I will not put on something on top. I'll float it like this. But I have to wait for the final look. I needed to see my face, look at the mirror, and like, can I just go for this wedding with just this cornrow? Without attaching anything, without putting up anything on this head. My god. So you're going to tell me, please don't put on anything, just go that way, the way it is. Because, I need your suggestion. Should I go and look for something, look for whatever to put on top? A wig, a hair tie, a hair, whatever. Please, I need you more and more now. Yeah, so we're already getting to the final touch. Yeah. So I just want you to enjoy the flow. Are you seeing how beautiful it is? How straight it is? I am going to leave this cornrow the way it is and just attend this wedding. And I just do a professional makeup on my face. Already my eyelashes is there, right? Why won't I just go with this cornrow the way it is. Oh my god, this is almost finishing. The final touches. The cornrow is now complete, and I am adding the final touches. This includes smoothing and flyaways, checking the braid pattern, and ensuring everything looks neat and balanced. The final details, elegant, the style, it gives me the wedding vibes. Oh my god, the wedding vibes. Why am I feeling that somebody is saying, how can she just make this hair? I'm preparing for a wedding. Why? I didn't know hairstyle, no other hairstyle that she's supposed to do. Oh, what do you think? I just feel I should just rock this. I just want to also wait to see the final stage, so I can also see how I look if I'm going to have a change of mind. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Just to make it more exciting and beautiful, don't worry, I'm going to be carrying you along a full vlog of the wedding, how it is. And I'm going to also carry you along so you could see how I dress up, because as I said, I'm going to be looking at myself very well in the mirror to see if I'm going to be flaunting this hair to the wedding with big earrings and a professional makeup. But let's look at ourselves first in the mirror. Okay, so this is how my cornrow hair looks. So I'm actually preparing for a wedding on Saturday, which I'm going to be carrying you along. So I made this so I could put on a wig on top of this. I actually wanted it to be this flat. Yes, so I'm going to be rocking this, then preparing it to put on my wig for the wedding on Saturday. Is going to be amazing because I'm going to be flaunting. Hey, you see my dressing for that wedding. An important person is getting married, which I'm going to be attending. So I had to start doing this cornrow today. How do I look with it? Yes, I know I look beautiful with it. I'm going to just rock it for just one day without a wig. Yeah. Oh my god, I would have done ages. I forgot that. Yeah. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the wedding vlog. Yes, please do, and stay tuned for the wedding vlog.